The gross humiliation and dehumanization of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, I know that it's going to come to an end someday. With what Tinubu-led administration is doing to MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. It started with Buhari, and now President Buhari then has passed the baton to President Tinubu. But I know that this thing is going to come to an end someday. This is what I'm going to bring to you today. You don't know where. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Everybody, welcome to Expose with Ivy, your sure explore for all hot, spicy, and authentic information. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a follow on TikTok. It's the same handle, Expose with Ivy. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being quite supportive. I appreciate you. Do well to smash the like button. Of course, register your thoughts respectfully in the comments. Favorite this video, repost it, share it with everyone, contact on your list, and endeavor to watch to the end. Thank you. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into today's topic. I got an update which says that Tinubu refused to honor agreement to release MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, says MAZI Nnamdi Kanu's family. So during the campaign, during the 2023 campaign, all right, the family of the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has said it had an agreement with President Bola Tinubu for the release of the Biafra agitator. Kanu disclosed that he had a pact with Tinubu's son, Sheyi, during the build-up to the 2023 presidential election, disclosing that the meeting had the blessing of the president. Kanu, however, lamented that Tinubu has refused to honor the pact by releasing the IPOB leader. In a statement he issued, Kanu said it was agreed that IPOB would not boycott the 2023 elections on the grounds that Tinubu would release Kanu if elected president. The statement reads, "Before the last election, I received a message from an ex-governor that Sheyi, the son of President Tinubu, wanted to see me. I agreed to meet with him on the condition that the overriding priority and hence the fulcrum of our discussion will be the release of my brother." The meeting was held in Abuja in the presence of another individual who I asked along to witness the deliberations and provide independent verification should the need arise. Sheyi confirmed to me that his father sanctioned that any agreement we reach as binding on the then candidate, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In good faith, we agreed that I shall relay the outcome to my brother to reinforce the long-held tradition of IPOB not interfering with the conduct of the either through boycott or any other form of civil disobedience. This understanding was duly communicated to my brother, and he reaffirmed his commitment not to stop the elections or order any boycott. When President Tinubu, as a candidate, visited Owerri during his campaign, he too reiterated his commitment to facilitate the release of my brother if elected. We took his fantastic reaffirmation of the understanding I reached with his son, Sheyi. Therefore, defies logic that nearly 2 years after President Tinubu assumed the mantle of leadership in Nigeria, my brother is still in detention despite not having any charge against him. It's been over 3 months now that Justice Binta Nyako recused herself from the case, yet no new judge has been assigned the case. Oh my God. You understand? So this is exactly what is going on. He went to the East and made all manner of promises that as soon as he's elected president, he's going to release MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. How many years right now? How many years in the office? And MAZI Nnamdi Kanu is still in custody. He has blatantly refused to release MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. I said it in my previous video. I said that every one person is afraid of an average Igbo man. Why are they afraid of the Igbo people? Why is Tinubu afraid of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu? Of what cause? What's the reason? Why are they detaining MAZI Nnamdi Kanu up to today? Why? What is the reason? What is his offense? Before they said it was a treasonable felony. Today now it's become terrorism. IPOB is now a terrorist organization. They are just nosing into every nooks and crannies just to ensure that they just keep this man in detention, nothing else. You went over to the southeast. You made all manner of promises that, oh, if I'm elected as the president of Nigeria, one of the first things I'm going to do will be to release MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. Mr. Tinubu, you've been in the office for at least let me say you've been in the office for over a year. For over 1 year, Mr. Tinubu, and MAZI Nnamdi Kanu is still in the custody. Why? Why is it like that? If MAZI Nnamdi Kanu were to be a Yoruba man, would you treat him with the same measure? Are you going to be this wicked to your brother of yours being a Yoruba man? What is the difference? What is the difference between the offense of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu and that of Mr. Sunday Igboho? Why is it that Mr. Sunday Igboho is free, moving all over the place, living his life, and MAZI Nnamdi Kanu is trapped in DSS custody? Why is it like that? Because you are afraid of the Igbo man. The thing is this, whether you like it or you don't like it, you see this Biafra, it's going to come. Biafra is going to come. Not because you are proving it, because it has to come. Biafra is going to come. Not because you are going to approve it, but because it has to come. And you see, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, keep being the Lord of Nigeria. You are the Lord of Nigeria. You are the Lord of Aso Rock. But I want to tell you that there's another Lord. He's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Okay? He's the one that is regulating even the oxygen that you are inhaling as a president. You understand? So, keep bedeviling the Igbos. Keep bedeviling the Southeasterners. Keep bedeviling MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. God of heaven will fight this battle. Ndị Igbo say, they feel they were all actually IGG. No problem. Keep being the Lord of Aso Rock. Continue to be the Lord of Aso Rock. My people, I just saw this flash of news, and again, I thought I should come tell you about it. Tinubu has blatantly refused to, fulfill his own part of the agreement. It is well. I don't know what you think. Please go ahead and share in the comments. And this is what I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye.